We are moving today.
Easiest way to pack hanged items, trust.
Things are looking a little stressful. The vision board is coming true. The vision board is happening. We are making progress.
Let's go through my shoes real fast.
I have a passion for fashion. I've made a lot of progress. That's very exciting. These are the clothes I'm planning to take with me to London. Hey y'all, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are moving. I look really sweaty right now just because I literally finished packing up everything at the second part of this video. I just wanted to say, hey y'all. In this video, we're gonna be packing, we're gonna be moving, we're gonna be getting ready to move, we're gonna be going through items, we're gonna be packing up for London, we're gonna be doing all the things. So, buckle in, and I hope you enjoy. So I'm currently going through my clothes right now, figuring out what I wanna get rid of, what I'm taking home, but I'm not taking to London, and then what I'm taking to London. And already I'm trying to look at my pants and my skirts and figure out like, what am I actually gonna take to London? So, okay, so these are already 2 stacks of clothing that I think I wanna take with me to London. These are like more like jeans and stuff, and this is like pants, work pants, skirts, that kind. I already tried everything on just to make sure that like it fits me and I like it. So here's all what I'm taking. I'm taking 2 checked bags. I'm taking a backpack probably as like my personal item, and then either like a carry-on suitcase or like a travel like backpacker backpack, because I am backpacking all over Europe before I actually move to London. Right now I just need to think, what clothes am I probably gonna take to London and what clothes am I probably gonna leave at home, because I don't think I'm gonna get rid of any of these clothes just because I do like them a lot and they fit me well. It's just like, do I really need 5 pairs of jeans? I fear I don't. Here's the goal. It's currently 10:24. I like doing things at night. I'm a night owl. I wanna go through a lot of my closet and kind of take away as many of my blouses and vests and tank tops. Because I think that'll be kind of easier for me to be like, okay, I'm taking this, I'm leaving this, I'm selling this, whatever. Let's put these in a suitcase. And also because I do have a few weeks before I'm moving out officially, I do need to make sure I have like a few pieces of clothes that I like wearing here. That way I have clothes for when I'm still living here. Also, shout out to my cousin who is letting me take her suitcase. I have like only one checked bag. I have one suitcase that like could work for this. The other one, like the wheel is messed up. It has been worn down because it doesn't turn anymore, and I would just drag it everywhere. So it's a little bit messed up. So I'm glad that she's letting me take this suitcase. Also, really proud of myself. I'm so terrified of roaches, and I literally killed and picked it up today. And it was really scary, but I did it. I did it. Cool. I thrifted this wool Burberry skirt for $2 and it's beautiful. I love it. I'm taking this, absolutely. This is what we're rocking with right now. We have some space up there. But this is just like my like bottoms. But honestly, not that bad. I could probably fit a lot of like shirts up there. So let's work on shirts next. Okay, I know the lighting is kind of crazy in this video. It is 10:30 at night, so do remember that. So here's all my closet. I think, you know what I'm realizing? I should not put all of my pants and jeans in one bag because that's gonna be an extremely heavy bag. So I'm gonna get my other bag and I'm gonna empty half of it in there. Okay, y'all, we are running into a problem very fast. I just went through not even my whole closet. I was like, okay, let me just start, you know, taking out like my blouses and like what I want to get rid of and like what I want to take. And from the amount that I want to take with me, I'm gonna have 2 full suitcases like that. And that's not even including jackets, shoes, nada. That's not including any of that. Things are looking a little stressful. I have a passion for fashion, and here's the thing. Almost like all of my clothes, like my favorite clothes, I have thrifted. They are one-of-a-kind pieces. So what I think I'm gonna do is grab my other suitcase, transfer like some things to the other suitcase, and edit down from there, because I'm just trying to get all this like pre-packing kind of done in the first place. I know it kind of sounds like weird that I'm moving June 25th and it's May 9th and I'm already packing for what I want to wear in London whenever I move. But the thing is I'm moving out of my house anyway, and I don't want to have to like pack everything and then unpack it and repack it. To me, it would be so much easier to kind of go in with the fact of like, I already basically know exactly what I'm taking and it's in my bags right now. So that's why I'm so like, I want to get everything packed now. I don't want to have to stress or think about it whenever I'm home already. I just want to be able to be like, okay, yeah, my bags for London are like basically already packed. I don't have to worry about anything. And so yeah, so I'm gonna have to edit down so much. Okay. I lived in this house for a little over a year now, and I think I need to realize if I only wore something like once or twice while I'm here, I don't need to take it with me. I don't need to take it with me. It may be very cute and I may like it a lot, but I don't need to take it with me. These are the only clothes I have left. They're like workout clothes, sleep shirts, random t-shirts. I need to go through all of these, but obviously because they're on the floor, I've worn them fairly recently. My clothes in the dirty hamper, again, I've worn them fairly recently. Those are probably gonna be all safe to go. The only thing is, here is the dilemma. I have all my jackets in here and I love all these jackets so much. So I don't even think I'm gonna be able to take like any of them. Holy cow, I don't even know what I'm gonna be able to take. Y'all, it is 1:19 a.m. and my bed is looking crazy. I'm gonna call it a night and I'm gonna go to bed. So I just went through my coat closet and I kind of figured out what I was gonna go wear. This stack is the jackets that I wanna take if I have the space. That's a very big if. I'm gonna be moving in the summertime, so I don't necessarily need them right now. I will, however, just want them because I love jackets. Next, these are the things that are gonna go home. It's robes, it's really thick coats that I know I won't be able to take. Next, I'm gonna be giving this back to my friend because she gave it to me. And then these are clothes that I'm gonna let go of. I liked them, but I just don't like them enough to keep them and move them home. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the jackets that I know I'm gonna wanna try to keep here because I'm planning on getting like vacuum storage clothing things. So I want to pack these up to take home because I know I'm going to be keeping them. And then next after this, I want to pack up all the other clothes that I know I will be taking home as well, but just not to London. And then after that, I want to go through my shoes of what shoes I'm going to take home, but I'm not taking with me to London. Y'all, the room is looking like a mess right now. This is crazy. These are the clothes that I'm going to be taking home. Those are the clothes I'm going to be getting rid of, and those are the clothes I'm giving back to my friend. So I have a few different piles. They may be folding together, but I know what they mean. Those are also clothes I need to take home. These are the clothes I'm planning to take with me to London. These are the clothes I'm planning to take on my Europe trip / my remaining time here in Austin. Let's go get some AHHH bags. I feel like I've said my timeline so many times, but literally like it's the 10th of May today and I'm leaving May 31st, which means I have exactly 3 weeks until I'm gone. So crazy, 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 crazy. Oh, okay, cobweb. Look who came to join me. Okay, I have like one trash bag of clothes. I wanted to leave around 1:30, but it's 1:16 and I talked to my mom for like 30 minutes. And so I'll probably be leaving at like 2 minimum. Yeah, oopsie. The way I'm like looking at all the clothes that I'm like leaving, I'm like, okay, wait, do I actually want it? Do I actually, will I wear it? Should I take it? No, girl. No, you do not need it. You can have it at home. You don't need to move it right now. I will be coming home, and my parents will also be visiting me. So if I need something, I can ask them to grab something. So once I pack up all of these clothes, I want to go through my shoes real fast. So for sure the shoes that I don't want to take. So because I thrifted a lot of boots, they like need shoe glue or they need to be repaired. And I either need to like repair them or just be like, I'm not taking them. Which I don't think I'm gonna be able to take a lot of shoes anyway. So something to think about. I think for sure I do want to take both of my, I have 3 pairs of cowboy boots, and I think I really want to take 2 of them because I love wearing boots. I wear cowboy boots all the time. Those are like definitely a style piece for me. But I will say, even though I really want to take them, I am just a little bit nervous because it rains so much in London, and I don't want to ruin my boots because they're cowboy boots, they're leather. I don't want to get them ruined. So okay, trash bags are filled with the clothes that I'm taking home and I'm keeping. Let's go through my shoes real fast. These, I love these. First of all, pause. Like, look how they're so like early 2000s. They're so cute. I'm gonna be walking on cobblestones a lot. They need to get recapped. I don't think I'm gonna take them with me. I have clubbed in these heels. I've walked in these heels. I really like these heels. They're actually really comfortable. So I think I'm gonna take these. These boots I've had for a really long time, but I do need to take them to a shoe cobbler because the bottom is kind of falling apart just a little bit. So I think I'm gonna fix them and try to take them. These are also great. These are also great boots. I love the heel. They're so comfortable. They're really soft leather. I think I'm gonna try to take these as well because, like I said, they're really comfortable to walk in, and I think they're so chic. They go with like so many outfits. I do like them a lot. These, I have worn them a lot and I do like them. However, I think that heel is a little bit skinny, and also they kind of wobble when I walk, and I think if I'm gonna take these, I don't want to take 2 pairs of short black boots. So I think I'm gonna take these instead. Okay, my Fry boots, I they look not that cute right here. They look so flat, but they're actually so cute on. I do love wearing them. They're okay to walk in. They do make my like sock fall a little bit, but I like them. I like these boots. I'm just trying to think, if I'm gonna take my cowboy boots, do I also need these? I'm gonna leave them here because I'm gonna try to make them work. And also they're so flat, like I think I'll be able to make them fit. Again, okay, these boots are also so cute, but like I said, they'll also need to be like re-heeled. They also will need to get like resoled. I almost fell at work because this caught on something. They're suede, and I know in the cobblestone and in the rain, the suede is gonna get ruined. Like, this is real suede. Don't want to ruin these shoes because I do like them a lot, but I'm not gonna give them away. I do like them. I do wear them. I do need to get them fixed though, but I'm just gonna keep them at home. These are so cute. Can you tell that I like short little boots with attitude? Next up, these boots. I am taking these boots. I have worn these boots so many times. I've worn them to concerts. I've worn them clubbing. I have worn them just out and about. I think, I mean, everyone loves a knee-high black boot for a reason. So I think these are gonna stay. These I'm gonna be taking for whenever we travel all over Europe because we'll be going on hikes, we'll be going on walks. These are my friend's mom's boots. They're so beautiful, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough space for them, so I think I'm gonna give them back to her. But I do love these are so beautiful boots. Like, every single time I wear them, someone is like, your boots are beautiful. It's like, they're my mom. They're my friend's moms. So very, very beautiful, but I think I'm gonna give them back. But okay, so far I'm gonna be taking home not as many shoes as I thought I was going to. Right. I think I'm definitely gonna have to cut down another pair once I have my vacuum sealed bags and I have like more, I know like what I'm really gonna be able to take and what I'm not gonna be able to take. I think that's when I'm gonna be able to be like, okay, I need to cut down another pair of shoes. I can't take this pair of jeans. Like, that's gonna be like easier to decide.
Easiest way to pack hanged items, trust.
So like I said, these are all the coats that I want to take with me to London if I have the space. That is a big if. That is a big if. But anyways, I'm really happy. I'm really, really happy. I'm gonna take home almost all these hangers. That way my closet is basically fully empty. Big win. These are all the bags I'm taking home. Those 2 are the clothes that I just packed up, and those 2 are the hangers. And then look at this. My closet is almost empty except for my fringe jacket. As we can see, the vision board, girl, the vision board is coming true. The vision board is happening. We are making progress. I think the last few things I want to do before I leave, I think I'm gonna pack up all my stuffed animals. Shad. I'm gonna take down that bin. I'm gonna take down, I think, the rest of the art on my wall. And then I think I'm gonna be kind of done because I think it's kind of time to start getting ready to go home. Yeah, let's kind of just get all the random stuff out of my room. We are moving today. This is the second batch. I've made a first batch of moves, but this is the second. Okay, I'm so sweaty. I'm so hot. I have been working hard, y'all, but we made a lot of progress. In case you don't know, here's what we did. We packed up almost all the clothes that I'm keeping, but I'm not taking with me to London. We packed up almost all my jackets. We've cleaned out a coat closet. We have taken almost everything off of my wall. I have so much stuff that I'm gonna get rid of. I've gone through my shoes. I know what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna probably leave. So, and we've made a lot of progress on what I'm actually gonna be taking with me to London. So very exciting stuff. I'm very happy. But now it's time to like get my pack up for the night because I'm staying in Houston with my family. So I am gonna call it here, y'all. Thank you so much for joining. Moving is such a big process, and then moving internationally is like an even bigger process, but very exciting news nonetheless. So anyways, thank you all so much for coming along on this journey. I really hope you're enjoying it, and I'm excited to like not do moving content in a minute because I'm tired of moving. But I'm excited to start doing like moving in content because that's when I'm gonna be moving in London. And if you want to see more of my moving to London journey, please hit the subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. And then you can see like, what's the tea? What's going on in London? And yeah, I'd really appreciate it. And then if you like this video, if you could like it, and then if you have anything to say, share it down below in the comments. I'd love to read it, and I'd love to respond to it. But yeah, y'all have a great day, and I'll see you next week. Okay, cool. Bye.